most rewarding part of being on the AMOC committee is being able to provide input into this amazing meeting, which I sometimes describe as the Disneyland for laboratorians. I get the opportunity and the honor to provide the unique lens of a CLS in the part of this planning process. You get an opportunity to hear about the novel and groundbreaking hot topics that are affecting our community right now. So ADLM 2025 will provide curated content specifically for CLS, and I'm honored to be one of the individuals involved with planning that gets to use our unique lens and ensure that there is content that CLS specifically want to see. Within the ADLM Annual Meeting, there is a CLS Day. And although there's content for CLS throughout the entire programming of the meeting, this day is really special because it is focused on the CLS community and their specific needs. ADLM 2025, we're gonna bring the wonder.